All right, let's get a check on what's playing out in the crypto market now. See, it's mostly green on the screen. Starting off the month and starting off this trading week, there we're seeing Bitcoin there up by 0.1%. XRP green, Cardano green, Ethereum all green at this point. There's a few pockets of red with the likes of Leo and some stable coins there in the red, but it's looking quite strong. Not so close to the previous high, at this point, but I guess it's a positive. We'll take that. Stablecoin market capitalization that surpassed about $250 billion amid accelerating regulatory momentum. The total stablecoin market capitalization recently surpassed $250 billion for the first time. Signifying there's a burgeoning trust and adoption right there in the market. And we're seeing other markets there. Meta shareholders have shut down push for Bitcoin treasury. We know most of these big companies there have been buying a lot of Bitcoin at this point, but we see the Meta shareholders, they're not buying that. And Russia's eyeing cryptocurrency for grain export settlements. We know Russia that they've been trying to bypass some of those sanctions there on the financial system. But let's bring in Gilbert Jokpata now. He's a lead there at Smart Investors Lodge. Great to have you, Gilbert. Hello, Gilbert. Can you hear me? All right. I don't think Gilbert could hear me there, but definitely it's a brand new trading month. We'll try and get. Okay, Gilbert, fantastic. Okay, I can hear you. Fantastic, I can hear you now. So it's a brand new trading month in the crypto space. We're also seeing a brand new week. How would you describe May, for Bitcoin and the general crypto market?
Okay, for me, I think this is going to be quite a very significant month for the market because there are three major things that I think is a highlight of what is about taking place in the market. I think first of all is the Friday's job reports that will be coming from the US. It's something that could shake both the traditional market and also the cryptocurrency market. The second thing is India. They are set to bring out their regulatory framework for the market. And the thing is that this framework could be a game changer because developing market could decide to adopt these templates. And then the third thing is that Bitcoin is in a very delicate balance presently, technically. We are sitting at the support, and I'm not taking away the fact that we may test a new support, but Bitcoin has also flashed a golden cross. And this has been a historical signal in the cryptocurrency market that since we always follow the golden cross, has never really been wrong. I'm not saying that golden cross does not has its drawdown, but then there are three major highlights in the market. And from my experience in this market, a weaker than expected US job number on Friday could begin a cryptocurrency rally because investors will start seeking higher return in risk-on asset. And at the same time, as India regulation, if it comes out and is clear and positive, it could also set the standard for developing markets and also leading to a surge of adoption, that could drive even a global momentum. As at the same time, we also watch out for a golden cross that should probably invalidate any necessary drawdown. So for the month of this new month, the market really looks bright from some macroeconomic expectation, watching out also for data that will come out from India, and also why we watch out for the golden cross that Bitcoin has also flashed.
Right, it's quite interesting. That indicator is called a golden cross, and we're also seeing gold, doing well in the market above $3,000 per ounce. But talk to me. What are the key trends for June, and where do you think investors or retail should be looking at for this month?
So a lot of things have changed in the market. I know most person keeps getting stuck with the old narrative, but a lot of things have changed, and it has shown that the market has come to maturity. If you look at also the inflow you keep seeing from ETF, you understand that institution will be looking out for Bitcoin, and there'll be more buying of Bitcoin that is going to drive momentum. The moment I think we are done with the present drawdown Bitcoin is experiencing, we should be shooting into some more major resistance level of 115, 120, and also above. But then I also think that we'll start looking at Ethereum. Ethereum will start gaining some momentum that will give birth into, what before we used to call altcoin season. But I think this time around, we should be looking at selective altcoin season. We can't see the altcoin season we used to see before, because the market is oversaturated, and this is now an institutionally driven asset. And also money will also circle into altcoins also that are providing real value into the market and will suck in value.
All right, I guess this is not the type of rise that, the tide that takes all, cryptocurrencies up, but we'll keep watching and see how it plays out. Thank you so much, Gilbert Opata. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for having me.